Hello everybody, today I want to talk about one of the most strongest strategy for trading in the world. That's called algo trading or inducement of liquidities, and so many other names on the internet. It's not important. In 4 steps we can enter our position. Let's see it step by step together. Number 1, in our checklist, we should check the main trend. What's our main trend here? As you can see, we've had a downtrend and now we are on a uptrend. And in other zoom, we can see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and now a lower low. So the trend is going up. Number 1, check. Number 2, we should find the liquidity area. What's the liquidity? The liquidity is the gas for moving from one station to another station. This is the gas station for market from going destination A to destination B. And here are the gas station for market. We have liquidity in some specific areas in the chart. One of the most famous one is below equal lows and above any equal highs. We have liquidity. And here below these two equal lows we have liquidity. Market comes down and have its liquidity from these equal lows. So number 2, check. We have liquidity area, we have gas station. Number 3, we should find the imbalance and the order block before the liquidity area. So what do we have here? Between these 3 candles, 1, 2, 3, we have FVG, we have imbalance, and this candle is our order block. So market should come down, fold this imbalance, and touch this order block. For going up, as you can see, market comes down, filled this imbalance and touch this order block, and it's ready for going up. Number 3, check. Number 4, do we have anything else before this order block that market needs to go and touch that? Do we have any other order blocks that's not mitigated? We can see there isn't any place that we should go, and here is full of money, here is full of gas for market for going up, and we can enter our position and go with market for a new high. Let's see together, is it possible or not? As you can see, we have a new high and our TP is near 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. So please subscribe me for more technical analysis lessons. I will back here with more examples and more lessons that you can use it for your trading, and after a while you can trade like a pro and be safe. Good luck.